animals affairs, let's talk about the lion. A male lion is called lion. A female lion is lioness. A baby lion is cub. The home of lion is known as the savannah or the grassland. The food of lion is other animals. Number of teeth. Lion has 30 teeth. Pregnancy period. A lion carries pregnancy for an average period of 3.5 months. Lifespan. Lion can live for about 10 to 14 years. That is for wild lion. While for lion in zoo, some of them can live for as long as 20 to 25 years. Sleeping time. Lion sleeps a lot. They could sleep for as long as 16 to 20 hours daily. They use this sleeping time to conserve their energy for hunting. Sound. Lion roar. Title. Historically, the lion has been known as the king of the jungle. Scientific name is Panthera leo. Symbol. Lion symbolizes strength and courage. It also symbolizes bravery and leadership. All right, watch out for the elephant. Thank you very much for watching.